हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल और वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आपको मेरी वाली वीडियो तो याद ही होगी जिसमें मैं अरावली बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क एक्सप्लोर करने वाला था, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस आई कुड नॉट गो देयर। सो टुडे आई हैव कम हियर इन अरावली बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू। सो दिस इज़ द एंट्री गेट एंड हियर इज़ द पार्क। वैसे तो people have given me suggestion that you should not come here alone because the you know the routes are quite confusing, but still because there is no one else to come with me, that's why I have come alone. Actually my roommate was also going to tag along with me, but then at the end moment he said no because he thought that it's already quite late, and if he comes here then he will be late for his office, so he did not come along with me. So that is why, because I woke up in the morning at around 6:30 and then because मैं उठ चुका था, so मैंने सोचा कि अब नींद ख़राब कर ही लिया तो फिर लेट्स गो एंड एक्सप्लोर इवन इफ ही इज़ नॉट कमिंग, बिकॉज वापस तो मैं सो नहीं पाता क्योंकि मेरी नींद ख़राब हो चुकी थी, तो वापस सोना was not really an option for me. That is why I decided to come here alone. So let me just show you guys what we have here. तो मैं यहाँ पर अकेले हूँ अभी। यहाँ से रास्ता इस तरफ हो जाता है, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ सिंगल पर्सन टू बी सीन हियर। सो आई एम एक्चुअली अ बिट स्केयर्ड बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो हर्ड दैट I think 7 or 8 months back there was a cheetah found here, trapped inside something. So I am actually scared to go alone. Like I don't have fear of getting lost or anything, but I am actually scared of lions or cheetah or find them, then it will become kind of like it will cause me my death. So yeah, now people are coming from this direction, so now I will just join. And there are some dogs also, so I'm already scared of dogs. I mean, I love dogs, but at the same time I'm also scared of dogs, and this dog is already scaring me because he's just looking at me constantly. And there are so many other dogs as well inside this park. Oh my god. यहाँ पर एक सनराइज पॉइंट है जो कि बहुत ही फेमस है, मैंने बहुत सारी वीडियोस में देखा है। एंड आई थिंक इफ़ देयर वाज समवन अलोंग विथ मी देन इट वुड हैव बिकम मोर बेटर टू हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस प्लेस, बिकॉज और इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि मैं अकेले जा नहीं सकता, मुझे बस इसलिए लग रहा है क्योंकि मैं अकेला हूँ और मुझे डर लग रहा है कुत्तों का और जानवरों का। ओके, आई कैन हियर सम वॉइस, देयर आर सम पीपल आई थिंक, सो आई विल जस्ट गो एंड सी। I am going to see the sunrise point. What is this? This is Pejal. Okay, so they have drinking water as well. Let me just show you from the back side. They have these cute little, there is something that can tell you the direction about the places. So Pejal is this side. It means you can get water there, and then if you want to see Papra Chalk, then you can go further. So I will show you around. Okay, this is drinking water here, and then there is another dog, and there is another dog, and there are so many dogs here. So finally now I am able to see some people here. बल्कि अजीब है, एक जगह पे इतनी भीड़ हो जा रही है, एक जगह पे इतने सारे लोग आ जाते हैं और फिर अचानक से पूरा सुनसान। Oh my god, what is that? Okay, it's a dog. I mean, this dog is actually looking like a cheetah. See, now because I have this in mind that I might end up finding a cheetah or a lion, So that is the reason why whenever I see something, then it is going to leave a kind of impact that is a cheetah or that is a lion. So it is all the game of your mind. The more you think about something, the more you see that thing. So I think this is the reason why it is happening. But I will stop thinking about it now. Oh my god, there are so many dogs here. तो अभी बीच में मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर गया था क्योंकि एक भी इंसान दिख नहीं रहा था और वहाँ पे बहुत सारी रोड्स थी जो लेफ्ट राइट और सीधी जा रही थी एंड आई वाज सो कंफ्यूज कि मुझे किस तरफ को जाना चाहिए, किस तरफ को मिलेगा सनराइज पॉइंट एंड देयर वर सो मेनी डॉग्स एट द सेम टाइम, सो आई वाज लिटरली सो मच स्केयर्ड एंड देन अगेन आई फाउंड few guys coming from a direction, so I asked them about the sunrise point and then they told me that the sunrise point is there only. You just have to go straight and you will find it. So now I'm going straight. I'm already a bit tired. I don't know if I will be able to do some exercises or not because I'm literally facing the shoulder pain because of water park. So yeah. Okay. I'm so sorry guys for disturbing you in the middle of the video, but if you guys have not watched my recent video of Atlantic Water Park, you definitely have to go and watch it right now. I will attach the link in the video. You can just click on this link and watch my recent video of Atlantic Water Park, and I will also put the link of this video in the description box, so you can click on that link and watch the video. Thank you. So finally शायद से सनराइज पॉइंट आ गया. There are so many birds here. Look at this one. Okay. She already flew away. Oh my god. There is a peacock, man. He's so beautiful. I don't know if I can show you guys or not. Oh my god. There is a peacock, man. He's so beautiful. I don't know if I can show you guys or not. Look at it. Wow, man. He's so beautiful. हाँ, सो फाइनली मैं वापस अपने रूम पर आ गया हूँ एंड आई वुड डेफिनेटली नॉट रिकमेंड एनीवन टू गो अलोन. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि अब यहाँ पे ये वाली बात तो बिल्कुल ही मत बोलना कि नहीं मैं अकेले जा सकता हूँ, मैं अकेले अपना एक्सप्लोर कर सकता हूँ, मैं अकेले की जगह को घूम सकता हूँ. जस्ट बिकॉज यू कैन गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड ईट एवरीथिंग अलोन डज नॉट मीन दैट यू कैन एक्चुअली गो टू अ प्लेस वेयर यू हैव टू वॉक 5 to 6 kilometers with no one, with absolutely no knowledge about the route and anything else. So yes, I don't think that it was a nice plan that I actually went to this park alone. Not that a lot of things happened with me, but yes, I actually got lost very deep, and then from there I was not aware of the route. There was no one to help. The security were also available at a very far distance, so I kept asking them that where can I see sunrise point. They kept saying that yes, go further, and I kept going. And then after reaching to a point, I saw that there was a door, and then I crossed that door also, and after almost like 15 to 20 minutes I reached at the same place, and I was like what the fuck man, इतना घूम के आया हूँ मैं, उसके बाद वापस वहीं पर पहुँच गया, ये क्या हो रहा है भाई. एंड देन आई आस्क्ड हिम कि कहाँ से जाना है. Like there was another security guard, so I asked him कि where is the exit, because I did not desire to see Sunrise Point anymore. I was totally fucked up and I was extremely tired. I just wanted to come back to my room anyhow, and I was like कि मैं आ ही नहीं पाऊँगा, मैं वहीं पे चक्कर खा के गिर जाऊँगा, ऐसा फील हो रहा था मेरे को. I was really in the need of that exit. I was really in the need of coming out of that jungle. I was really in need of coming out of that place. And then I asked him कि कहाँ से है एग्जिट. हर कोई बताया जा रहा है कि इधर जाना है, इधर जाना है, इधर जाना है, इधर जाना है, और मैं बार बार आ रहा हूँ और वापस भटक के मैं यहीं पर आ गया हूँ इतना चलने के बाद.
एंड कि अगर आपको उधर की तरफ जाना है तो आपको यहीं से जाना ही पड़ेगा। मैंने कहा अभी मैं यहीं से गया था लेकिन मेरे को एग्जिट नहीं मिला, कि आपको यहीं से जाना पड़ेगा। वेल इट वॉज नॉट हिज फॉल्ट, इट वॉज माई फॉल्ट बिकॉज देर वर सो मेनी अदर कट्स एज वेल। आई मीन देर वर 4 ways एंड बिकॉज अगेन देर वॉज नो वन टू टेल मी कि कहाँ से एग्जिट है, तो मैं बस सीधा चलता गया। मेरे ख्याल से अगर मैं वहाँ कहीं से मुड़ता तो शायद से मेरे को एग्जिट मिल जाता। एंड थैंकफुली ऑन द वे आई मेट अ पर्सन, सो आई आस्क्ड हिम कि कैसे जाना है कैसे जाना है। सो दैट पर्सन एक्चुअली has been living here in Gurgaon since his childhood, so he told me ki you can tag along with me and then I can show you the route. So he said ki actually there is no other option, you have to take another round, you have to walk at least 1.5 kilometer again in order to go to the exit point. And then I was like, oh man, I am just not really in the condition to actually walk anymore, but because at least there was someone to help me out and because I did not want to lose this opportunity, because अगर वो इंसान चले जाता तो फिर तो मैं भटकता ही रह जाता। So I finally just got along with him and then I finally found the exit and then I came. It was so exhausting and I could not walk anymore, so that is why I actually decided to book Uber, but thankfully Uber मेरा हुआ नहीं। तो वहाँ पे एक बंदे ने बताया कि यहाँ से आपको 10 रुपये का रिक्शा खुद ही मिल जाएगा, so you don't have to book any Uber or something, so I just took the rickshaw and then I came back to my room. Such a hectic day, man. And now I have to get ready for my job. I'm already very exhausted. I will keep on uploading this kind of shit, and so I will upload more videos like this where I will be getting in some problems and then I will finding the solution as well, and then God will send someone to help me out. So yeah, in order to watch more videos you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, and you can also comment in the comment section if you know about any place in Delhi or Gurgaon where we can go and explore. So I would definitely want to go and explore that place. Till then, bye bye, take care guys, thank you so much for watching my video.